Hi everyone, this is Namrata Chatterjee. I hope you all are doing well. So, in this video, I am going to talk about myself and give a brief introduction about Lit Academy and why I started it. So, the main reason was that there was no such reliable coaching when I was studying. I was in my master's, and that's when I decided that I would appear for NET exam. And because I was a sincere student, my HODs and other faculties already offered me a job of a lecturer in my own college, and I started doing that job, also looking out for some study material and things with which I could prepare for my NET exam. That's when I also received an offer from a big publishing house, and they offered me a job to write guides and books for MA and BA students, for college students. So I took up that job because these two, lecturer and writing job for college students, both helped me in order to remain in my own field of study and along with that prepare for my NET. But separately preparing for the exam became quite difficult because I was doing these two jobs, and it became quite tricky. That's when I looked out for these coachings, and then at that time there were no coachings at all. After a while, I found one online coaching on YouTube. I came across this guy who was promising, big things and said that he himself qualified NET several times. So I thought, okay, it just looks, promising. Let me just try it. So I tried that. I took up their course, online course, and realized it was a mistake. I was not satisfied with that coaching at all. So when I contacted them, I told them that I'm not happy with this course and it didn't help me qualify at all. So they offered me that I should come to Delhi to their offline batch, which was way more expensive. I clearly told them that, see, this is not affordable for me, and right now I can't take up this coaching at all. So they said, okay, we can give you a discount. And since you are already teaching somewhere, you have written books. I was also in the media. So while I was in my master's, I worked at a media as well. So they said that, you're good at writing and all, so you can come here, write for us, work here, promote our coaching, and then you will be in also studying our batch, which will be that fees will be reduced. I said, okay, fine, looks okay. I went there, I went to Delhi, which was, quite a big thing for me that I left my home, everything, and went there. After going there, I saw that many students, many girls from Jammu and, from far places, from different cities and states, they had come to that coaching with that promise that that teacher would personally teach them. So we all went there and it was utterly dissatisfying. We were not satisfied at all with that coaching. All those, I mean, it was not just me. Even with the online batch or offline batch, I realized that not just me, but most of the students subscribing for that course were not happy. So I came back within a month. I left that job, class, whatever you can call. I came back and I started studying on my own. And while I was doing that, I thought, let me just, help other students, other aspirants who are preparing, and let's create a community of students who can, help each other and ask each other questions and, hear out each other. So I started doing that as well. And I thought that, like, some people would come, but surprisingly, many people joined that, and it was quite overwhelming as a response. So by that time, then I qualified my NET, and there were so many people coming. I could see that people were in a need of a genuine coaching. By that time, few more coachings had come up, but nothing was that substantial that people could rely on. It was not genuine, or maybe it was average. I'm not praising or self posting, but this coaching which I have created helped a lot of students, and more than the number of students. And I always believe that they should feel happy and satisfied because I was not. So I gave my heart and soul to this course and started Lit Academy. Now I am not a professional who can market this everywhere and post ads everywhere, nor do I have those resources, but I tried reaching out to most of the people, and this is one of the mediums through which I am trying to reach out, because now on I'll be posting videos on this YouTube channel, and I would request you to stay tuned, subscribe to this channel, comment me with your suggestions, what you want to study through this channel. You can give me your suggestions and comments, and subscribe and share this channel with your friends, because this is a community we are building to just reach out each other without any pretense, without any self-posting, and genuinely study for NTA NET JRF. You might subscribe to that course which is with a minimal fees, or you want to self-study. In both the cases, you must wait for this channel and subscribe and stay tuned. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye.